Hi everyone, this is Ahmed. I'm recording this video for you to be as a guide that you can use so you can create some reports inside and include them, custom reports, and include them within your GA4 navigation. As you can see, this property is a dummy property. It doesn't have any data, just for the purpose of showing you how to do these steps. But when you complete these steps within your property or your client property, you will have real-time data, and the data will flow automatically inside any report that you create. So let's get started. The main purpose of this video is showing you the plain old source medium reports that we used to have in Universal Analytics that are not offered by default within GA4, and because GA4 will have two new dimensions, not new since UA has been sunset for over than 2 years, but yeah, they have the session scope source medium, and then they have the the first user source medium. So none of them is the same old event scope source medium report that we had in Universal Analytics. So all what you need to do is just click on this button, library. And once you arrive to this section, just hit the create new report button and then choose the detail report option. You will have plenty of options to choose, but for this video purpose, I will be using this traffic acquisition report. Once it loads, you would see an empty report, or even like in your case, if your property had some data, you will find some data within in here. So again, like for the purpose of this video, we're focusing on the event scope source medium, the plain old source medium. So let's do this. So what I'll be doing now is just I'll be replicating the same matrices that existed in that report in Universal Analytics. But in your case, feel free to explore and play around with the other matrices and dimensions. So let's see. We had the sessions and the Universal Analytics report. So sessions, users, and then let's delete all of these. And let's use only those. So let me apply. As you can see, it would be applied automatically. Then click on dimensions. Remove all of that. Now type source dash medium, you would see it first result. You can also add some other options if you'd like the default channel group as a secondary dimension. The dimension that have this default button will be added here, the dimension that had the default tag is what will be chosen as primary dimension in your report. Now hit apply. And that's it. Now you have your event scope source medium and you have all the other matrices. Feel free again to play around with following these steps, and actually you can build whatever you'd like within the following that option, within the custom reports inside GA4 library options. But let's continue the steps. So just hit save, give a name to your report, name it whatever you'd like, and then hit save. And now let's hit that back button once everything is saved. So you would see that the report is added in here, and then you would see the creator and creation date, template, but that doesn't add the report inside this section, right? So what we will need to do is just click on this lifecycle tab and then edit. So this basically have all the reports that you have within that lifecycle tab, like the acquisition, the engagement, the monetization reports like you see here. But for this video, we will add the event scope source medium. So when I search for the report, we can see that this is the report that I have just created and gave it that name. So let's drag it and drop it whatever the place that you like, but in our case it makes sense to add this report in this section. So now once this is done, you should have the save button over here, so save. And pro tip, if you clicked on that save button and you were prompted an option if you wanted to create like a new lifecycle reports or save it to the existing lifecycle reports, I highly recommend saving this to the existing lifecycle report, because if you choose like the new option, it will create another lifecycle report, and what you will eventually see is that you will see two instances of this lifecycle. So there will be like lifecycle here, and then these reports, and then lifecycle and the same report. So always remember to choose to save to the existing lifecycle collection. And here it is. Now you have this plain old, same old source medium report saved in here. And then if you actually clicked on library and then edited that section, you can actually manipulate what you have in here, like for any report, if you want to exclude them or add them. And also if you searched for these, for the reports that are in here. So for example, if that user acquisition report, if you modified that report name, you can actually have it updated and then save to the existing reports. So yeah, I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any question, comments that you'd like to share in the comments section.